Yo, so let them know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Ladies and gentle G's, my name is Negusimara and this is my YouTube channel. Make sure to comment, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so we can grow the community. You don't know. Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm going to start with some reviews, some music reviews and them thing there. See me? The first one I'm going to shot right now is Fivio Foreign Squeeze Freestyle official music video. See me? And me get introduced to Fivio through Pop Smoke. See me? First track me hear from them was Sweetheart. What's a daddy to a gangster? Sweetheart. Chubby. So what I don't know, so today, we're going to do Fivio review, Squeeze, you don't know. It's so crazy when I see this part none of the major streaming platform, them just SoundCloud and YouTube, you see me? And any other free places. It look like, I don't know, it look like, I don't know why this is not being monetized. It not even have ads per YouTube. But anyway, let's dive right in it real quick. So Fivio Foreign Squeeze Freestyle. Let's go. Camera quality clean. Visuals them nice.
Yeah, I was told if you fight, you swing first. I was told if you shoot, you squeeze first. Nigga, why would I give you a free verse when it's $1,500 for my t-shirt? They remember me broke the streets hurt. You better give me what I deserve. If I catch up, I'm making them bleed first. If I miss it, I'm hitting the reverse. And they always gonna tell me I'm moving funny. If you wasn't my man, it'd be worse. Like imagine I make you say please first. Like imagine I laugh and say he's heard. Like imagine I'm living and rapping and talking and chatting and see him and fall back. When I met him in person, he's all cat. When he met me, I'm ready for combat. When I met her, she looked like a baddie and moved like a baddie. She thought she was all that. When I fuck, she ain't getting a call back. They be falling in love with my tall ass.
Yo! Boom bang! Yo, the man said, when he met me, I'm ready for combat. When I met him, he was all cap. When I met her, she looked like a baddie and moved like a baddie. She thought she was all that. She ain't getting the call back. They be falling in love with my tall ass. In my case, short ass. Isn't me? Because you don't know where a short nigga big walk is. Isn't me? But yo, I'm not lie. Just with 45 seconds in, I can tell it's a Fivio lyricism has it's improved. You remember when I want to talk about hey, the CM flow from Weddy, I'm just have the CM flow for a few songs. But this tell me say yo the dog thing step up now. Fivio, your thing up, bro.
When I see him, it's getting me more mad. If you kill him, so don't get the ball gas. When I run in your crib, it's a door dash. Yeah, look, I've been a mess. I hit him hating and talking and whispering, watching them mumbling under their breath. Yeah, look, yeah, they be obsessed. They keep on wondering how I keep winning, but they already know that I'm one of the best. He already know he get one of his chest. He already know that there's none of me left. Them niggas say I can't do it, they counting me losing, but they never come with a bet. Them niggas say they get money, they say they be working, but they never thumb through a check. Boy, when you come to me, come with respect. I'm not accepting nothing less.
Yo. Big up Fivio. One thing, the dog swag different. The dog full of style. You see me? I love everything. I love the visuals. I love the colors. That video is clean and straight to the point. You see me? I like it. And the song bad too. The lyrics, them are chop, bro. We'll continue.
Put your money where your mouth is, nigga. I put my money where my clout is. I put my gun where my spouse live, and I'm going dummy every outfit. You either love me or leave me alone. Costa me gon' help you get in the zone. Niggas still trapping and flipping the phones, and niggas still clapping and gripping the chrome. Yeah, look, I've been a mess. I hit them hating and talking and whispering, watching them mumbling under their breath. Yeah, look, yeah, they be obsessed. They keep on wondering how I keep winning, but they already know that I'm one of the best.
Yo, no. Hola. Fivio. Brother, this bad no bomber clot, Fivio. Bomber clot, foreign. This bad no blood clot. You understand what I say? If I pull up at this right now, I start this from the beginning. This bad no bomber clot. Yeah. Big up Fivio Bumbucklad foreign. Yeah.
Yeah, I was told if you fight, you swing first. I was told if you shoot, you
Squeeze first.
Nigga, why would I give you a
Free verse.
when it's 1,500 for my
T-shirt.
They remember me broken streets hurt. I mean, you better give me what I deserve. If I catch up, I'm making them bleed first. If I miss it, I'm hitting the reverse. And they always gonna tell me I'm moving funny. If you wasn't my man, it'd be worse. Like imagine I make you say please first. Like imagine I say he's heard. Like imagine I'm living and rapping and talking and chatting and see him and fall back. When I met him in person, he's
all cap.
When he met me, I'm ready for
Combat. When I met her, she looked like a baddie and move like a baddie. She thought she was all that. When I fuck, she ain't getting the call back. Then me falling in love with my two. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Look, I've been a mess.
I hit him hating and talking and whispering, watching them
Mumbling under their breath. Yeah,
look.
yeah, they be obsessed.
They keep on wondering how I keep winning, but
They already know that I'm one of the best.
he already know he get one of his chest. He already know that there's none of me left.
Yeah.
Them niggas say I can't do it, they counting me losing, but they never come with a bet. Them niggas say they get money, they say they be working, but they never thumb go check. But when you come to me, come with respect.
I'm not accepting nothing less. Yeah, nigga, go put your money where your mouth is. Nigga, I put my money where my clout is. I put my gun where my spouse is. And I'm going dummy every outfit.
Niggas still trapping and flipping the phones, and niggas still clapping and gripping the chrome.
Yeah, look, I've been a mess.
I hit them hating and talking and whispering,
Watching them mumbling under their breath. Yeah,
look, yeah.
they be obsessed.
They keep on wondering how I keep winning, but they already know that I'm one of the best.
Yo! Bumbleclad! Bumbleclad! Dog, Fivio, bro. Bad. From visuals to audio, bad. My favorite part of that, the man say, yo, she looked like a baddie. She thought she was her. She looked like a baddie. She thought she was all that. When the fuck she ain't getting the call back. No, I'm saying she looked like a baddie and moved like a baddie. She thought she was all that. When the fuck she ain't getting the call back. They be falling in love with my tall ass. Fivio, bad. Lyrics up, video up. Yo, I don't know say One Nation and Imara Nation. You see me? If you don't want to see me review something else, you see me? But make me know, you see me? All of the youths them where having the song them out there, you don't ever start do some music reviews, you see me? And I'm not gonna do it for free. But I tell you that right now. So don't bother ask me for no freeness. This right sir. When you can say, yo, Negus, bro. Oh, you do them man a thing for free? Because I want to. We have build a platform, so eventually when it get big, me can help you. So if you are you want me review your music, just spend some charbo with the G, you understand? Spend some charbo. You see me? But I tell you this right now, if the song a fuckery, I'm gonna tell you say a fuckery in the video and then upload the video on YouTube. Because I'm not gonna waste my time telling you that from now. So I'm gonna create an email when you can send on the song and them thing there and spend on the charbo. You understand what I say? One Nation and Imara Nation. Make sure you want to comment, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Up move!